In the year 1921, a crisis of monumental proportions loomed over the medical world. Diabetes, a chronic disease that robbed the afflicted of their very life essence, remained an enigma, a foe too powerful to be vanquished. The diabetic's body, its delicate balance with sugar disrupted, would relentlessly consume its own tissues, leading to a cruel and agonizing death. One fateful day, Banting's thoughts led him to a revelation. What if the pancreas, the organ responsible for insulin production, could be manipulated to provide the life-saving substance? This was a radical idea, but one that held the potential to change the course of history. With a heart full of hope and a mind abuzz with possibilities, Banting shared his idea with his assistant, Charles Best. Together, they embarked on an extraordinary journey, one that would test their resolve and push the boundaries of medical science. Through countless experiments on dogs, Banting and Best refined their process. They extracted the insulin from the pancreas, purified it, and injected it into diabetic dogs. To their astonishment, the dogs' blood sugar levels stabilized, and they began to recover. News of their success spread, attracting the attention of the medical community. With the backing of the University of Toronto and the Canadian government, Banting and Best continued their research, working tirelessly to perfect their method. On January 11, 1922, they succeeded in purifying enough insulin to test on a human. A 14-year-old boy named Leonard Thompson was chosen for the groundbreaking procedure. After his first injection, Thompson's blood sugar levels began to stabilize, offering a glimmer of hope to the diabetic community. Over the following months, Banting and Best continued to refine their insulin extraction process, ensuring that it could be mass-produced. Their efforts bore fruit, and by 1923, insulin was available to the public. The miracle drug saved countless lives, offering a beacon of hope to those afflicted by diabetes. Frederick Banting's discovery of insulin was a testament to the power of human determination and the boundless potential of medical science. His work not only revolutionized the treatment of diabetes but also set a precedent for future medical breakthroughs. In the face of a seemingly insurmountable crisis, Banting's unwavering spirit and relentless pursuit of knowledge transformed the lives of millions, earning him a place in history as a true medical pioneer.